Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. I'm like the worst vlogger in the world. So I went on Amazon and I ordered one of these little handheld things, and you know what, I feel like this is going to come in handy so much, because at least when I'm like filming little clips of me doing my makeup, I don't have to like make a tripod out of like books. I can just put this on the desk and it bends. It's called a monkey stick. I feel like a proper YouTuber now. Do you get what I mean? Today I have quite a few things to do. Over the past, about 2 weeks ago, I just had no motivation to do anything, so I just sat in my bed and watched Friends. Now I feel like I've sort of got my life together. I've actually got a lot to do today. So I got up and I did my makeup. It's already 11, it's 11:11. I'm gonna make a wish. I think I'm gonna talk about what I've got to do while I curl my hair. I've actually really been enjoying having it straight for the past few days. Show you guys my outfit. So this is probably all you've seen on my Instagram stories. I bet you're sick of it. It is my Juicy Couture tracksuit. It is baby pink. I've probably wanted one of these since Sharpay. I've always wanted a Juicy tracksuit. Like, I remember being really young and they were in fashion. My mum would never let me have one for some reason, but I finally got one after ages of searching for this style, because I know Urban Outfitters do them, but I wanted like the classic Juicy Couture tracksuit. So it's like gold detailed. Look at the back of it. I'm actually obsessed. And I also love the fact that it's low-waisted as well, but it also covers my tummy if I tuck this in. I can have this tucked out, but it looks a little bit sag. If I want to look like cool. I love how my idea of cool is tucking in my Juicy tracksuit. If I want to look like, I don't know, 2000s, I tuck this in so it shows like a bit of my belly. I got it on Depop. I don't think Juicy really do them anymore, apart from like in America. So if you do want one, keep checking Depop. I'm in a bit of a hair crisis because I've got roots. My hair's naturally really mousy, so it looks like I've got grey roots, which is just not cool. I thought I would talk you through my agenda for the day. I'm the most unorganised person, so writing a little to-do list always helps me. I never finish the to-do list, but just having it there sort of helps me with the day. So top of my to-do list is to vlog. Second is to rearrange my room. My room is something that we need to talk about. Started to decorate it and redo it. I had it painted a new shade of pink probably at the start of the year, I want to say, or maybe the end of last year. I had it painted like a nice baby pink colour, and I got a new light, and I got a new dressing table and a new side table. I've also ordered a bed, but I think with coronavirus it's all coming all the way from up north and it has to be assembled in my house, so I think they're waiting for lockdown to be over to deliver it to me. I had the bed made by like a bespoke company up in Manchester. Once the bed arrives, I can start buying other furniture. I do want to get some like prints to put up on the wall, and I want to get a new chest of drawers. Also, I'm also going to have a wardrobe clear out. I'm going to film it as another video to go up. I feel like you guys really like those videos. The hair is done. I always get questions on my hair actually. You would have just seen how I did it there, but I do always get questions on how I do it. I've done a TikTok on how I do it, and I've also done a YouTube video, and then I might make an IGTV as well on it. I think I'm going to show you the current situation of my room. So you sort of see what I mean by the lighting. It's just not great. It's just not great lighting at all. My hair has faded so much that it's gone red, which is just really sad. This is the current situation. So do you see what, or maybe it's dark because of the shutters, half the shutters are down, but do you see what I mean? So I've got my shoes laid out here, which isn't really something I want. I do kind of want to buy like a shoe rack to put here just to store all my shoes in. I also have a Zara package. I did a Zara order and this was part of it. I'm actually waiting on another part of the package to film the Zara haul with, because for some reason they've split it in half, which is so annoying, and the next one is coming on the 11th of May, which I just don't understand. And then this is the summer clothes I was talking about, so I have no room in my wardrobe to put these. That is why I've got to make room today. This is my chest of drawers, which I've had since I was like 7. This is my bed, which I've also had since I was like 7. My poor mannequin. Like, honestly, her life is a misery. I do want to get another mannequin because this one is on its last leg. This mannequin has been in the background of most of my YouTube videos since I was 14, so saying goodbye to her will be hard. But over here is my makeup drawers. These haven't been changed since I was like 15. I've not gone through them for like years, so I do need to do a clear out of these as well, but probably not today because I've got too much to do. This is just for the time being until the big bed comes. This is going to be against the window, and then this is going to be back over here where it used to be, and then that can just do whatever. I don't like that. So I've just filmed, and this right here is the Depop pile, and then this is going to go in my winter package thing. Then I'm basically done, and I have all of these leftover hangers to put somewhere, and then all my summer stuff can go back in there. I've got 3 winter bags, and then I've got 1 Depop bin bag. Once I've done that, I think I'm gonna go downstairs and take the Instagram, because I want to take a picture in this juicy tracksuit. I've been meaning to for ages. Then after that, I'm gonna make a TikTok. I might actually have some lunch as well because I am starving. I'm gonna have some toast because toast is my special dish. It's the only thing I can make. And I'm gonna have it with honey. You just know the toast is gonna be unreal if it's a thick slice one. Forget thin slice, forget medium slice. Thick slice is where it's at. In it goes. Toast is ready. All I literally eat is toast and honey. It's actually so bad, but okay guys, so today is actually the next day. Yesterday I took the pictures, and then and I made a TikTok actually, and then after that I just started to feel so ill, like I had pains in my belly. I basically just laid down for the rest of yesterday, which was quite annoying because I was feeling so productive, and you know when you just can't be productive. And I'm actually going to rearrange my room today instead. I've come up with a plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over to here first. Then I'm going to slide that across the room to here. This can stay where it is for now, and then the bed, once both of these are moved over, hang on, I haven't really thought about this. Okay, so I'm going to try and get rid of as many things as I can just to make it a bit more clear space. I'm going to take my ring light out because it's just a bit unnecessary. And then my mannequin, who, she's going to be called Miranda. I'm going to put Miranda out in the hallway. She's really on her last legs. Hoping I don't like break my back or smash anything in the process, because my mum's currently out and my dad and my brother are about to go on a bike ride. So if anything happens, you guys are the only ones that have got my back. I'm like the weakest person. I don't know why I'm moving it over here when it's going to end up over there. Oh well. Oh, it's a workout. That's the most exercise I've done all lockdown. Next job is to slide the bed round that way, like make it, turn it anti-clockwise. I don't even know what the word is. Bed, I'm thinking I'm just gonna move it, and then it will leave all of the boxes and everything that was under there out, so I can sort of sort through it rather than pull it all out. I have pulled out underneath the bed. Honestly, it's actually embarrassing. Look at the amount of shite under my bed. I'm going to run downstairs, get a bin bag, and I know that probably half of this needs to be binned. I knew I was a messy person, but I didn't realise it was to this extreme. Guys, so we've popped out, and it turns out there's this milkshake shop open near us. We've got a milkshake, and I picked double decker. Yeah. Well, got the wrong one. It was so nice. Basically, my mum ordered a cookie dough one, but the girl thought we wanted cookie dough, so I've literally got like this. Oh, it does look really nice. It's like it's got white pencil in it. It's like cookie, like literally cookie dough, like warm cookie dough. But turns out I got 2 treats out of it rather than one. Yeah. 2 treats. This is the cookie dough thing I was talking about. Look how good it looks. That's a Kinder Bueno on top of it, and then it's just like proper like dough. Okay, I'm gonna continue with my organisation of my room now. I sorted out my bags and I've put all of them in this plastic tub. You may be wondering, Grace, why do you have a dog carrier? Little story time about this. My mum told me that we were going to get a dog, so I got all excited and I bought this dog carrier off of Doll's Kill because I was like, oh my god, it's so like 2000s and like Sharpay vibes, thinking I'm going to get a dog. Don't even get a dog. So it's been under my bed for like 2 years. And at first, my mum didn't know, because when it came, my nan was staying with us. I think my mum found it under the bed and was like, what the hell is that, Grace? Like, why have you got a dog carrier? I'm actually going to keep this dog carrier until I get my dog. I don't care how long I have to keep this for. we will get a dog, or I will get a dog when I move out, and this is coming with me. I've put all of the rubbish in the bins, and I've sort of kind of worked out what each box is going to be for. So I've got like electronics in this box. This box is going to be for hats. I think I'm going to depop these 3 bags because I don't really use them. So I'm going to put them in the depop bag in a minute. But yeah, this box is going to be for hats because I never know where to put them. I actually have a load of like Vogue magazines over here. I actually want to buy a magazine rack for these so I can put them and sort of display them, because at the minute they're just piled up under my bed. But that is basically what is going on at the minute. Even though it may look like a mess, it is an organised mess. Okay guys, so ignore the outfit. I'm about to take an Instagram picture. But I thought I would end the vlog for you all with like a halfway there room tour. I'd say it's halfway there with how I want it. It's still got probably half the furniture that it had in my last room tour, but then there's new things and I've obviously rearranged it. I thought I would just show you what it looks like as of now. Right, so I'm going to start in this corner. Here is, what did we name her? It was a few days ago, Miranda. She's got a bit of a winter look on with her Burberry scarf. And then I've got this weird little pearly heart thing. Got my Victoria's Secret robes hanging on there. Then here we have my dressing table. I'm actually in love with this. I've always wanted a Hollywood mirror, but I never actually got around to getting one. So I finally got it. I can't actually remember. I'm going to try and find a link for it because I can't actually remember where I got it from. But I've got all of these bits on here, some Louis boxes, and my Alexa, honestly the best thing I ever bought. It has so much storage space. It's got all of these drawers, so basically this fits most of my makeup and like beauty products. And then I have a matching bedside table. Again, this is really good because it's got 3 like quite big drawers. Some little decorations on there. Then we have my bed, which is honestly like so old. This is for a child. This is for like a 10-year-old. I've had this since I was 10, this bed. But I've actually ordered a bed. I've ordered a double bed for this room. So when that comes, it'll be a whole new room tour. Like, I think when that bed comes, it'll change the whole room. So obviously, because obviously the bed's really big compared to this. And then we have just some random pillows. They actually look quite ugly together, but I ended up sorting out under the bed into 3 different boxes. And my slippers are there, and you can see the Vogue magazines over there as well. So I've got like electronic boxes, I've got books, and then I've got, can't actually remember what that one was. Then in this little corner, I've just put stuff that sort of has to be out, and I've arranged it into this little setup. So I've got some mules, another pair of mules that were my mum's in the 90s. They're Carol Millen, and they're like Swarovski crystals. They're so cool. But I don't actually want to put these in my wardrobe in case the crystals fall off. And then I've got my Dior and Chanel boxes there, and my ugly tripod, but it sort of has to be in my room. I actually got shutters since the last video. If you might remember that ugly blind I had, the pink one with the hearts on it. Finally got rid of that. So now I have some really nice shutters. These were probably fitted about a year ago maybe, I don't know. But I'm so happy with these. This is like my hidden ugly corner. So I have that bag that I want to sell, and then I have a Zara package, and underneath that is a Brandy Melville package. This is my bedside, no, not my bedside, my chest of drawers. I really want to get a new chest of drawers because again, this is from like when I was a child. So I have this little perfume tray. I have these books and this pink telephone that I got. It actually does work as a real telephone, but it has to be downstairs by like the telephone bit. So I sort of thought I'm going to use it as a decoration in my room. This is a little book selection we have here, like just cute little coffee table books. They were originally all just piled up. I thought it'd look better if I like put them like this. Then I have this box, which if you're an OG you'll remember, this was my first ever room tour. I do probably want to get rid of it, but it just has, this is like my random like drawer, so it has like just all like a load of random shite in there that I probably should go through. And I have this section which I'm actually not very happy with. I feel like it looks really ugly. I feel like a lot of the stuff in this drawers could be moved and sorted out into here, so I do sort of want to get rid of these drawers because I'm going to need more room space when my double bed comes. So yeah, I'm not really too sure on this. I didn't talk about the stool. This is just some random rug that I've put over it. It's my old bedroom stool, but I think we're giving away my old dressing table, so I'm gonna have to order a new stool. So that will be seen in when my room is done. But yeah, that was basically a little short 5-minute room tour. Hope you liked it. I always get questions on it, so I'm really excited to finish off my room and finally have it how exactly I want it. I still want to put some prints up. I'm really waiting on that bed to come so that I know where to put stuff and everything, because obviously I can't really start hanging up stuff on walls if I don't know where the bed's gonna go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. Let me know what other videos you would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.